Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and in this video I will show you how to set up a fingerprint if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprints. In such case, go to Settings, scroll down to the lock screen setting, open it, then select screen lock and biometrics, then enter your pattern or your password, and once you do that, go to fingerprints, and if you have fingerprints installed on your device, remove them before you proceed. Then click add fingerprint, and before you add a new fingerprint, grab a dry towel and wipe the surface of your fingerprint scanner carefully to make sure that it reads the new fingerprint clearly. Now once it's clean and the surface doesn't have anything on it, you can continue and proceed by pressing the fingerprint scanner. Also, don't forget to use different parts of your fingerprint to make sure that it reads the scan, that it scans your finger better. And once you're done, you can click done. And before we proceed, let's go back to settings, select software update at the bottom of the list, and then click download and install, and check if your device has any software updates to make sure that your firmware and hardware are in touch. And if you have any updates to install, then take your time and do it. But either way, let's restart the phone before we proceed to make sure that the change is applied. Now to do that, hold down the power key and the volume down key for a while, select restart, confirm, and wait until your phone is restarted. Then once your phone is restarted, unlock it using your PIN code or fingerprint or pattern, PIN code, password or pattern. Then let's try to use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. So lock it, then place the finger on the surface, and as you can see, everything went smoothly for me, and I hope it did for you too. And if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.